Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will test together a new face palette by Essence, and this is the Create and Transform My Wonder Face palette. It contains contouring, bronzers, blushes, transformers and highlighters. We also get a teeny tiny brush that you can use for the transformers. A face palette with silky and smooth textures to create your unique look with endless possibilities. Today's shout out goes to Alina Obada, and I'm very happy that you bought something based on my reviews. I'm so happy that you like my videos and also that you like the product that I also liked. Without further ado, let's get started with the review. When you get your palette, this is how it is. You have a plastic sheet that tells you what is what. You can always use all the products the way that you want to. I will take my 109 brush by MAC, and I'm thinking about using this shade here for my contouring. I don't like that the pans are a little bit small to pick the product. So let's see how this looks. So this is not very noticeable. It is very light. I knew that it wouldn't work because this is a type of color that I use most of the times to contour my face, and as you can see, this one is darker. I will try to build the intensity to see if this is visible on my skin tone. This is very light. I don't see a huge difference. If you like a lighter contouring for your face, this will work for you. And also, if you have fair skin like me, if you have a deeper skin tone, this will not work for contouring. I will also take the darker shade to see if it is a little bit more intense on my skin. Yeah, I think this is a better shade for my skin tone. So this gives a very nice color to the skin and it blends very easy. I'm taking a smaller brush to contour my nose. This is by Babs Beauty. I have this brush I think for 10 years. It is from the YouTuber Babs Beauty. Okay, so I will take again this shade here. And I also bring it into my brows. And after that I blend it on the sides of my nose, so everything will be very blended and you will not see strikes of brown shade on my nose. The contouring shades blend very nice. I will also take the lighter shade to blend my contouring application to make everything more diffused and blended. I will take a brush by Essence. This is the blush brush, and I will just blend the edges of my contouring. I would prefer if the pans were a little bigger because you always use for your face bigger brushes. For example, I have this one for my contouring and it doesn't fit in the pan. Also this one, it doesn't fit in the pan. And you want to be able with your bigger brushes to apply the product evenly on your skin. And as you can see, the pan is very small and my brush is so big, so it is difficult to take only the lighter shade and not take the blush shade. Let's move on to the blushes, and we have 6 shades, so I will swatch all of them to see how they look on my skin and to decide which colors I will use on me. I like that we have a variety of colors, and also I like the corally one. It looks very promising. I will take the same blush brush and I will try to take this shade here, the corally shade, because as you can see the pan is small. Smile and apply your blush. So the application is a little difficult because you cannot pick up the same amount of product on the bristles of the brush because the pans are so small. I have used this blush here. So as you can see, the corally blush is a little bit powdery and the powder gets on the transformer shades. It blends very nice, and with only one layer the color is very intense. I like that. I want to use also this light pink color here to see if it is also blendable with the other blush. So as you can see, I overdid it with the blush because I don't have full control of my bristles. I will try to remove some of the blush. I cleaned my brush on a tissue, and after that I just tried to blend the product that I overloaded on my skin. The colors blend very nice into each other, and also I like that we have colors for deeper skin tones as well. I don't think that the contouring shade will work for darker skin tones. Let's see how the highlighters work. And we have two powder highlighters and also one dewy one. One of them is peachy and the other one is a little bit more rosy. From the swatches, I don't see a huge difference in the color. They are very similar when you swatch them on your skin. Just one of them is a little bit less rosy. From the swatches, I can see that these are not very intense highlighters like I like them. Also, we have this dewy highlighter here, which gives a glossy effect to the skin, and it is like a wet look, not a dewy look. I will take the E40 brush by Sigma and I will try to use the lighter highlighter. It is a little bit powdery, so I will tap the excess off and I will apply it. Okay, on the skin it doesn't look less intense. It looks more intense than the swatches that I did. In the swatches I was like, okay, this will not work. This looks nice, and you can also build the intensity. I will also try to use the other color on top of it to see if they blend nice. Oh, this is more intense from the lighter one. I have used now this one here, and this is what made my highlighter more intense. Okay, this is nothing like the swatches, and it looks so nice in the camera. Okay, I like that it doesn't intensify the texture of my skin. The highlighters blended very nice into each other and also into all the other face products, and I don't believe that it looks so nice on my skin. This is where I have applied the dewy highlighter, which in the beginning it was very glossy and a little bit greasy. Now that I'm touching my skin, it's not greasy or even sticky. I'm very curious to see how it looks on top of these guys. Do you think I should use it? Let's do it. This is a testing video. Okay, let's see. I will just tap it. I hope it will blend nice, guys. So I don't see a huge difference. I don't want to rub my finger on top of the face products because I don't want to make patches. I will also use it on my nose. Maybe that's a mistake because my nose is so dry these days. Everything I apply on top of it, it doesn't look nice. I think it gave a very healthy glow to my skin, a very glowy finish. We also have 3 transformers, which I have no idea what they are. Oh no, they are holographic. The first one here is a pink holographic shade. The middle one is just a gold highlighter, and the third one is a purple holographic powder. And I don't know, I think I'm not going to use them because I have applied so many products on my cheekbones today. Yeah, and it is still sticky. I have done my eye makeup and I have used the Chocolate Elixir palette by I Love Makeup. I will post this video this week. About the contouring shades, I like them. They blend very easy into my skin. I don't like that we don't have a darker shade for darker skin tones. About the blushes, I don't really get the bronzing gold shade that we have. The shades that I have used for my blush, I like them very much. They applied very easy. My issue with this palette is that the pans are very small and I cannot fit my brushes, and this is a face palette. Your brushes are always bigger in size. That was also the problem that I had with my blush application, and you saw that I was getting a little clownish. About the highlighters, I was very impressed. I thought they would be a complete disaster, but they looked very nice and they still look very nice. The glossy part has dried completely. It's been about 2 hours that I have applied them and it's not patchy. About the transformers, I will do a different video because in this one I didn't want to apply all of the highlighting products on my face. For this one, I will have to update you. I also want to use the other blushes and the transformers. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you want me to use this palette again in another makeup tutorial, and also let me know if you have used this one and if you like it, or if you have another face palette that you like. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!